Hi children, how are you? Hope all are fine and safe. The previous class we discussed about artificial intelligence, history of artificial intelligence and AI ethics. Today we are going to discuss more about artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence can be defined as the ability of computer systems, that is hardware and software, to do tasks that normally require human beings to use intelligence. The term artificial intelligence, when we used in connection to human beings, AI should have some behaviors that associated with human intelligence: planning, learning, reasoning, perception, problem solving, motion, manipulation, creativity, social intelligence, knowledge representation, etc. are associated with human intelligence. Language recognition system, smart navigation system, etc. all fall under the term intelligent systems or artificial intelligence. If a human is capable of learning from experience, then he is known as intelligent. In this sense, we have systems that are capable of learning from the data fed into them will fall under artificial intelligence. Fields related to artificial intelligence are machine learning, neural networks, data science, robotics. There are many fields, technologies, methodologies, techniques, etc. that are closely related to artificial intelligence. These fields are often confused with artificial intelligence, and the problem is magnified when experts use many of those terms interchangeable with artificial intelligence. Some are these: machine learning, neural networks, data science, and robotics. First one, machine learning. Machine learning refers to the capability of the artificially created system to learn from experience, that is, by processing data. For example, the process by which a neural language translation program improves itself were used more and more. This is one of the subfields of artificial intelligence. Next one, neural networks. Neural networks are one of the techniques or methods of molding data within the discipline of artificial intelligence. This method tries to mimic or stimulate the working of a human brain. The networks created by this method are capable of machine learning, that is, they improve with the usage. We will learn more about these networks in next chapter. Next one, data science. Data science is a term that is used for referring to different related subdisciplines. These subdisciplines include machine learning, statistics, data storage, web development, etc. Data science contributes, and this includes managing big data, data acquisition, data modeling, data analysis, and data curation. Next is robotics. Robots are computing machines that have both hardware and software components, and robotics is the field which deals with construction and programming of robots. Artificial intelligence contributes towards the software components of robots, which can behave and work like a human being. For example, computer vision helps robots to identify their surroundings. Natural language processing helps them to communicate more effectively. Neural networks allow them to mimic emotions. Machine learning helps them to learn. Next topic is important phases in development of artificial intelligence. The phases in development of artificial intelligence are divided into four. first wave, second wave, third wave, and fourth wave. First wave. The first wave happened with the growth of internet. The first series boost to development of the artificial intelligence happened with the growth of the internet. This development boosted the generation and used the data at the rate that was never seen in the history of the world previously. This is known as the first wave of artificial intelligence. The second substantial boost to the development of artificial intelligence happened with the advancement of mobile internet. This development shifted the focus of static data to the real-time data. This brought a fundamental change in the manner in which AI systems were developed and operated. This is known as the second wave of AI. Next is third wave. Third series as boost to the development of artificial intelligence happened with the evolution of the Internet of Things. The Internet of Things calls for all the applications and sensors in the world to become smarter, that is, capable of communication. These interconnected and communicating devices increase the number of internet connected users or devices from 10 billion in the second wave to 15 billion. This fivefold increase lead to unpredicted jump in the availability of data due to the multiplier effect. This change in the working of and functioning of artificial systems is known as third wave. Fourth wave. Many scientists and philosophers consider this as the next coming wave. In this wave, true artificial intelligence will emerge. This artificial intelligence will be suppress what human beings are capable of doing today. Next topic is type of artificial intelligence. At higher level, the artificial intelligence can be divided into two types: artificial narrow intelligence and artificial general intelligence. Artificial narrow intelligence. These systems that are in use today to perform simple tasks. An existing type of artificial intelligence which is capable of performing simple tasks requiring basic intelligence. The intelligence of these systems is narrow in the same sense that they are only capable of performing one task, but in many cases they can perform this one task better than human beings. Artificial narrow intelligence is capable of undertaking a number of actions which include interpreting videos to understand what is happening, acting as a personal secretary, performing routine of everyday tasks which might have limited decision making, performing tasks that require processing data, etc. Processing videos for understanding them means, for example, recognizing when an intruder enters a house or when small children are in danger in the house, like etc. Performing routine of everyday task means ordering milk, switching off the power in empty rooms, switching on air conditioners when needed, etc. Performing simple tasks done by secretary or acting as a personal secretary means taking dictations, scheduling appointments, taking minutes of meeting, reading emails, etc. Performing tasks that require processing data means assisting doctors in diagnosing diseases based on symptoms, etc. Then next is artificial general intelligence. It is still in research stage. Artificial general intelligence refers to the science fiction ideas of artificial intelligence. That is, the computer systems which are at least as intelligent as human beings, if not more. These systems will be capable of learning and developing themselves. They will not be limited by the task which they can perform. These systems are in research stage and much breakthrough has not been made regarding them. AGI has the capability to learn, adapt and improve itself so that it can perform various tasks. Next is types of artificial intelligence. There are generally two types of artificial intelligence: weak AI and strong AI. Artificial general intelligence refers to science fiction idea of artificial intelligence. That is, the computer systems which are at least as intelligent as human beings, if not more. Weak AI systems refers to AI that only stimulates human thought and action. It is the intelligence that mimics intelligence but does not process it, or in other words, act intelligently without having any intelligence. All of the AI systems in existence today fall under this category. For example, a self-driving car might recognize that it is raining, but it will not understand what is rain. A smart home security system can recognize intruders without understanding what intruder is. Strong AI. Strong AI refers to AI that matches or exceeds the human intelligence. It is also called true AI, as they are truly intelligent. Example: the robots from the movies Transformer, Matrix, Terminator, etc. Strong AI systems are theoretical systems that actually process intelligence. These systems are currently in the research stage. Next topic is discipline of artificial intelligence. The discipline or field of artificial intelligence is a relatively new development. As such, this field has borrowed heavily from existing discipline and fields. Fields of AI combined with discipline like computer science plus computer engineering, maths plus linguistics, neurology plus psychology, biology plus philosophy. Like this, so many fields are combined to artificial intelligence. I think you understand what all things we discussed today. Thank you all.